Title: Gleam, shining moments in life. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word gleam. Gleam is a verb that describes the act of emitting or reflecting a soft, glowing light, often associated with something shining briefly. It's a term that symbolizes moments of brilliance and beauty. Pronunciation: pronouncing gleam is simple gleam, with a soft G and a long E. Use in a sentence. For example, the stars in the night sky gleam with a mesmerizing and timeless beauty. Importance: gleam moments add a touch of magic to our lives, whether in nature, art, or personal experiences, creating lasting memories. Conclusion: in summary, gleam is a word that signifies the enchanting beauty of fleeting moments of light and wonder. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, treasure the gleam moments that make life extraordinary.